Dr. Yuti. Now today we are going to explain in this trigonometric problem, prove that cosecant 2a plus cot 2a equals to cot a. Okay, first of all in this problem write LHS cosecant 2a plus cot 2a. We know that the formula cosecant a 1 by sin a. In place of a 2a is there, so write 1 by sin 2a. Plus similarly cot 2a means cos 2a by sin 2a. According to this formula cot a, that is cos a by sin a. In place of a 2a is there, so that write here cos 2a by sin 2a. Here in these two fractions denominator means same, so we are going to take LCM sin 2a, adding these two numerators, that is 1 plus cos 2a. Okay, next that 1 plus cos 2a means write the formula 2 cos square a minus 1. Next that denominator sin 2a means write formula 2 sin a cos a. Here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Next that remaining 2 cos square a by 2 sin a cos a. Here numerator 1 cos a, denominator cos a gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. Next that write remaining cos a by denominator sin a. Hence cos a by sin a means formula cot a. Hence proved. Given problem cosecant 2a plus cot 2a equals to cot a. Okay, thank you.